Today we are making a delicious spiced bourbon punch that is just perfect for the holiday season. My name is Alina and welcome to my kitchen. To make our punch, I have 1.5 cups of freshly squeezed lemon juice. You can use store-bought lemon juice, but I do recommend using freshly squeezed. It's a bit of an arm workout, but the flavor is worth it. Next, I'm adding in 2 cups of spiced cider. I do really like the Trader Joe's brand of this. This stuff is absolutely delicious. It honestly just screams fall to me. Next, I'm going to add in 2 cups of our whiskey. And I'm also going to be adding in 1.5 cups of triple sec. This will just add a nice orange flavor to the drink. This is a fairly boozy punch, I will say. So you can always change the alcohol level to your liking. You do not have to add in as much whiskey or bourbon. To make our spiced simple syrup, I took 10 cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks, and 6 anise stars, along with 1 cup of sugar, along with 1 cup of water. And I added all of this to my pot and let it simmer on medium-low heat for about 10 minutes until the sugar was completely dissolved, and let it cool completely. Then I strained all of my spices out of my simple syrup, and now I do have a little excess which I can just save for another cocktail, but I'll add in my 1 cup of simple syrup now. And if your guests are about to arrive, you can add in 1 full bottle of champagne, but as my friends are coming over in a few hours and I don't want my bubbly to go flat, I'm just going to add my champagne in my individual glass. And I also realized my pitcher is a little bit small. Oh, hello.
What is that, a bee?
It's a bee. It smells all the sweetness. Oh, it goes straight for the triple sec. And now I have these really beautiful rose ice cubes that my mom actually... We're gonna pretend that did not happen. I have these really beautiful rose ice cubes that my mom made, and they come out of the mold very easily. And so now I can add these in to our wine glasses. And I'm also going to be adding in some fresh lemon slices to our pitcher, as well as some fresh orange slices. And we can give our pitcher a stir because you want to make sure everything is getting combined. And I have to say, this smells so delicious. You can really smell all those spices, which I love. And I also have these super cute little apple cutouts that I'm going to be adding into my drink, just to add a little fruit, you know, to snack for later. Now it is time for my favorite part, the taste test. Ooh. That is so good. That is absolutely delicious. I love this drink. It's spiced so well and it's not too sweet, but it has a nice little kick to it from all that cinnamon and cloves. It is packed with flavor. And I want to give a special shout out to the Modern Proper, who I got this recipe from, because it is absolutely delicious and perfect for fall. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers!